Okay, guys, graph and write equations of circles. That's what we're going to do. First thing we have to do is write down our definition. Circles, x squared, y squared, r squared. We're going to put our HK in there, which is the same thing that it's always been. Okay, we're going to highlight one thing because it's different from what we expect. It's going to be opposite because there's parentheses, right? The H has been opposite all along. But now the K value is in parentheses. Means it's going to be opposite from what you see in the equation, just like the H is. All right? Right, we're going to graph and write. I'll let you catch up and then we'll graph it. I think quadrant 4 will do. Okay. Yeah. Which space? Oh, no. I was just writing big. Good question. Okay. My center. Okay, so we have two characteristics. The center is positive 3. How do I know that 3 is the x-coordinate? It's in the parentheses with x. Negative 2. How do I know that's the y-coordinate? It's in the parentheses with the y letter. That's why it's the y-coordinate. And it's opposite because it's in parentheses. The intercepts, they're opposite, they're in parentheses. The h value, it's opposite, it's in parentheses. The parentheses is what gives us the opposite. Okay, so let's, radius is square root of 9. Notice the formula has r squared. So if I want the radius, I have to square root that number. Okay, so let's put it on the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can just label your coordinates. Okay, but I am going to put that as an open circle. It's not actually part of the graph. It's just the center of the graph. It's not a real point. It's just the location. How do you draw a circle? Well, count your radius in all 3 or 4 directions. And then do your best to like draw them in a circle. I tend to draw mine in like 4 parts. 4 parts. Now if you're not on a square grid, it's not going to look like a circle. You can just label your points. 3, 1. 3, negative 5. Oh, 2, 2. How about somebody else give me that last coordinate and how you get it? I'll let you catch up. All right, Sean's got it. You can tell us. Neil's got it. Give him about 20 more seconds. How do you get that last coordinate? Don't yell it. Okay, Sean, tell me. 6, negative 2. Yeah, just add 3 to the x coordinate. It's kind of like our symmetric points, but it's just 3 to the right from the center. Okay, there's your circle. Little bit trickier. Complete the square and graph. Okay, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 5. Well, that's a lot of variables. Okay, I see 2 squares. That means we're going to complete the square once for x and once for y. So I'm going to draw a little line. Let's put our x's to the left of the line. Let's put our y's to the right. All right, put your x's to the left. All we're doing is setting up to find the, I'm going to put in quotes, C value. It's not really C, but that's what we're finding because we now have 2 squares. Plus y squared minus 8y. Okay, keep in mind, what's our format? The radius goes on the other side. Let's go ahead and put our 5 on the other side. Okay, here's my balance. What goes in the blanks? You know. One of them is a 4. Don't yell it. Put in the rest of your blanks. Okay, notice. Opposite sides of the equals, you're adding 4 both times. Okay, what goes in my other blank? Raise your hand. 16? Yes. All right, you guys are so quick. Okay. Complete the square. Okay, let's factor the first 3 terms. Right, we got perfect square trinomials. We have 2 of them. 2 perfect square trinomials. Ooh, 25. That's it. That's a circle. Graph it. Now, not a lot of space here, so I'm just going to label those 4 points around the circle. I think we're in quadrant 2, approximately. Okay, label your 4 points. It's about what they look like. How?
No, I remember it once you did it, but I couldn't remember it until then.
Okay, label your 4 points. Okay, those are your 2 examples, guys. We're going to switch to whiteboards, keep them out for reference. We got 13 minutes before our quiz. Okay?
So square root 25 is 55. And then that's your radius. So then you count 5 down from negative 2. I'm making 5 over. I take these 2 okay, so they give you sense. But it's not a point.
Oh, so those are
So you gotta be careful because x is plus 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. So negative 2.
Yeah. I've been starting to watch it.
No. The reason why is worksheet 7 from 0. Yes, do you add the with those types of questions? And then you go over 5. So you have a chance to practice them before. Yeah, on purpose. She went like over all right.
Okay, here we go. We have a, raise your hand, who can give me the top point? Yes, negative 2, 9. Okay, who can give me the furthest right point? Yes? 3, 4. Okay, furthest left. Okay, negative 7, 4, and then Oliver, the bottom point. Yeah, negative 2, negative 1. Our center is right about here at negative 2, 4. Our radius is 5. All right. We have 11 minutes.